Welcome to all. Learn all in one. It's my channel. Today we are discussing the index number chapter. That is basics. It means a theory. Okay. Directly we will go to the meaning. An index number is a specialized average designed to measure the change in a group of time and they reflect changes in a certain economic activities over a period of time. So it says that it is specially designed, ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ ಟು ಮೆಷರ್ ದ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಎನಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್, what are the changes has been happened, a group of time and they reflect the changes. ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರವಾಗಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅದರ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಟೇನ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಎ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನಾವು ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. The index number is very useful for the knowing for the economic activities, because the lot of changes are going to be in economic activities. Economic activities always changes the place to place and the time to time overall. Simply provide the comparative picture of a overall a particular period of any time. It provides that the index number is going to provide us the overall picture, the how much has been changed. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂತ ಹೇಳಂದಿಗಿನ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್. ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್. Keep it. It's in advance. I am saying it is one of the definition given by the Wiesel Wellet. Yeah, as per your knowing, he is the author. He has been provided this definition: a special type of average which provide a measurement of relative changes from time to time or place to place. Yes, it gives that here say the special type of average. We need a special type of average, not the same casual averages. We need the special averages which provides the measurement of relative changes from the time to time or from place to place. Yes, it should be related to the things. Okay, it should be relatively measured. After completion of the definition, we will come to the point of a characteristics. Index number measures relative changes. As index number always I have been explained in the main meaning and the definition also. It says against that the first point it says that index number measures the relative changes. Any relative changes it's going to be changes that and it says that the changes in the value of a variable or a group of related variables over a period of time between the different places. It always going to be explains like that. Number second, index number or specialized averages. Already in the definition they have been said it is a specialized averages. Next one, third one, the index number or expressed in percentage. I have been already said in the meaning. It is expressed in the percentage because when we need to say that how much has been turned out, how much has been changed, how much has been reflected means we need to say in the percentage how much has been changed means like that. The index numbers measures changes not capable of direct measurement. Okay, here index number measures changes not capable of a direct measurement. It is one of the technique that utilized in measuring the changes in a magnitude which is not capable of a direct measurement due to composite characters or of the phenomena. Here we can't say that directly this much has been changes. It is one of the difficult, we need to say that is because which one is the base year, which one is the current year, all those things are need to be considered. Okay, so that we can't say it that directly, so that index number measures changes not capable of a direct measurement. We can't say it, it is a direct, it is only the main measurement. We need to say anything only the base year is only we have been kept it, because as per the changing scenarios we can't say it directly. Okay, next, index number are for comparison. Okay, last one, index number or for comparison, we can compare it with the nature. Okay, with their nature of the things on what are the numbers they have been given, changes taking over the time or between the places, like the categories, many things are there. Okay, we will see for next, we will go for the next, we will come to the point of uses of index number. Index numbers are economic barometers. Yes, it is one of the main functions that it does, that the general economic conditions of a country, and also it is one of the, we says that the barometers, it is barometer means it is checking that always that what is the main need, just like as an like as an index numbers, prices, output, foreign exchange, and bank deposits, all the country conditions, always it measures that, because it is a specialized categories variables, we are having the specialized averages, so that index numbers are economic barometers. Second one, index numbers are good guides. It guides that how can we go for further. It means index numbers are not restricted to the price phenomenon. So we have been not restricted that, and also alone, it is an alone, the index number is in a single thing, that it helps and it guides for us how can we move better, how can we frame the policies or better. It gives the all the information regarding a thing, how can we move further. With the help of that, it is so that it is index numbers are guide us for us. Index numbers are of index numbers are uh, of a better comparison. It is one of the thing that it help us that we can comparison, how can we compare. With the help of a percentage we can easily understand that, so that it is easy to win, it is better comparison, it is so that it is one of the uses of a index number. Next, fixation of wages. It is also one of the very important uses in the index number. To fix the fixation of the prices is going to be uses, because the money wages can be revised according to the proportion of a changes in the cost of living. How the cost of living of a worker changes, also we need to be increase the salary or the wages to be increases. So that's why index number is going to be uses and also helpful for us. They help in the formulating the policies. It is going to be helpful for the government also. It's helpful for the framing of policies, because how much the percentage has been changed, how much the trend has been changed, all the things we will come to know with the help of an index number. By that way we can improve ourselves, and also we can formulate the policies for the upcoming future. So that's why the index number is useful. Next, throws the light on economic condition. Yes, it is also one of the important things. It is a frame the policies, and also it is an economic barometer. With the help of an economic barometer also, it throws the light on the economic condition also. What is the condition of the nation, how it is going, and also how we need to improve. What are the, what percentage has been increased, what percentage has been decreased. With the help of an index number and also the specialized averages, we can say that it is focuses, it is gives the importance on the conditions of the nations, that is an economic conditions. Next one, consumption. Okay, consumption standards. Consumption standard means if we want to know the true consumption of a standard of a classes in a locality, we can compute the consumption of a index number. What the in a locality the persons and also a standard of the classes. The classes means a class peoples, a medium, high, lower peoples. What the percentage they have been consumed. It may be in the materials or it may be in the salary, wages, what they have been consumed. Uh, we can also consumption that what they have been consumed. It is also one of the uses of index number. Next and the last one, they measure the purchasing power of money. It is also one of the very important. And the final one, we also know that the every increase in the price level, the quantity of purchasing power get decreases. Same vice versa, when the amount of money, okay, that is what the money should be decreases. The cost of living index can be used ascertained by purchasing power. It helps that what is that the percentage, what percentage the persons they can buy it, okay, with the help of purchasing power. Of with the help of an index number we can know that, we can measure that, we can understood that what is the purchasing power. Okay, it is considered in the form of a money, because when we come to the point of a financial, these are all the financial things. Okay, these are all the financial things, and also it is one of the subject that regarding to the economic section. Okay, so that it is the thing comes under the economic sector. Further we will directly go to the problems. Okay, let us welcome to the problem sector. Now we are going to discuss that index number problems. In that index number problems, the first method is a simple aggregative method or a simple aggregate method. However, we can say that in the simple aggregate method, the formula is as follows, that P naught 1 is equals to summation of P1 divided by summation of P naught into 100. Some of the members says that some of the we are saying that summation. Okay, so whereas P naught 1, it means it is the explanations. P naught 1, pin means a price index number, keep it in your mind. Pin means a price index number. The price index number for the CY means current year. Price index number for the current year with reference to the base year, with reference to with reference to the, that is with reference to the base year. Okay, BY means base year, CY means current year, PIN means price index number, and P1 is equals to aggregate of prices for the current year prices. CY means current year prices. It is P1 means always P1 indicates that, P indicates prices, 1 indicates current year, keep it in your mind. Okay, next P naught is equals to aggregate of prices for the base year prices. Always P naught indicates that the base year, P naught indicates always the base year. Let us, we will go with the problem. Here is the problem. Calculate the price index number by using a simple aggregate method for the following data. Here they have been given the sum of the information, commodity A, B, C, D, E, and also prices in the 2011, prices in the 2012 and 13. Here is the commodities are provided here. The provided is 10, 12, 9, 11, 13, so on, so they have been provided for the all the year. It is the problem. Directly we will go for the solution. It is the problem. Next we will go for the solutions. The before going to the solutions, I will clarify you one thing, that the 2011 will become the base year for the 2012 when they have been given the 2013. How it need to be calculate. Okay, it is also going to be explained in this problem. some of the problems they have been provided only these two things, not this 2013 they will be not provided. If in case they have been given the prices in the 2014 also, the base year will become the 2011. Okay, when we are doing the problems, the base year always become the 2011 only, because the current year 2012 and the 2013, for these two current years the base year will become the 2011. Okay, in the in that way we are doing the problem. Always we need to take into the base year as a which one is going to be given the first one. Okay, it may be in a 2011 or it may be in a whatsoever the which year they have been provided in the problem, that year will become the base year. The further things they have been provided, these 2 years they have been provided, these are things become the current year, these are things will become the current year. Let us we go for the solution. Here is the solution. Commodities same as it is, I have been make it the problem in a proper manner. They have been provided the horizontally, I will make it the vertical. Okay, I will make it the vertical way. I haven't put it the all the problems. See here the commodities A, B, C, D, E, and also prices in the 2011, it will become the P naught. P naught is the base year, keep it in your mind. Prices in the 2012, it is in the current year P1, and also prices in the 2013, it is also become the P1 because it is also in a current year. Whatever the given information I have been written here, and also I have been make it the sum and also summation, that is the total. The summation of P naught, it will become, when I will total it, this I will get the 55, and this is P1 is 57, and it is also a P1 for the 2013, it is for the 2012, it will become the 55. Okay, let us go for the first problem. Prices of 2011 is taken as base year. Keep it in your mind, I am saying that again. 2011 is taken as base year, whereas price of 2012 is taken as current year. We have been taken here the 2011 will become as a base year for the 2012 as taken as a current year. Let us, we will go for the formula. We need to put the formula. I have been already given that formula in the first explanation. Take it that formula. P naught 1 is equals to summation of P1 divided by summation of P naught into 100. Put the values. P naught 1 is equals to, put the values 57, that's total is the 57. Okay, P1 total is 57 divided by, that will become the 55 into 100. We will get that P naught 1 is equals to, we get 103.6363. Whomsoever may that the points are going to be differs from the one calculator to the another calculator, it is not a matter that we can do this one. Okay, next we will go for that. Another basis is there, another one current year is there. Okay, second one, the price of 2011 is taken as a base year. Again we have been taken that the price of 2011 is taken as a base year, whereas the price of 2013 is taken as a current year. Okay, we need to go for the with the same formula. The formula is always same. Directly I will go with the problem by putting the values. The same formula is going to be applied here, but here is going to be changes. That P naught 1 is equals to 55 divided by 55 into 100. We will get P naught 1 is equals to 100. Okay, always it is in the percentage. I have been said na, it is always in the percentage. That's it. This is the problem. Next we will go for that a simple average of price relative method. Simple average of price relative method, it would be in the next video. Okay, we will see in the next video. Okay, that is one of the very important For that we need to know that how to find out the logarithm. I will put in a one video that how to make the logarithm and also how to find the logarithm videos. First you need to see that video and then go for the finding of a log and the anti-log, then it would be very helpful for doing these problems. Okay, next we will comes with the simple average price relative method problems. Okay, right, and also share the videos to your friends regarding to the all the peoples one who need for this, it would be helpful for them also. Thank you and all.